In this video, we're going to be talking about how to repair iPhone system data taking up all the storage. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, try to delete and reinstall all the high cache applications. And if you want to know how you can see that, you can simply go ahead and open your settings, head into your general, head into iPhone storage. And once you've done that, as you can see, there are a couple applications which have a lot of documents and data, just like that. Simply try uninstalling and installing it back, and this will go ahead and reduce a lot of data. Also try to go ahead and head into your settings and then head into your apps. So right over here, and now head into your Safari. So simply go ahead and look for your Safari application right inside and tap on that. And once you've tapped on Safari, all you need to do is simply go ahead and clear the website data and history by clicking right over here. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.